Digital marketing is a search engine or social media platform where products or services are promoted or sold over the internet, usually using one or more marketing channels. You can find attractive buyers for your brand through digital marketing. There are many platforms for digital marketing. You must choose the right platform considering your company type, product, and business scope. In today's post, we will discuss today's popular digital marketing trends. So in this video, we will discuss some marketing ways to make money from digital marketing. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's get into it. 1. Social media marketing. The biggest marketplace of digital marketing is social media marketing. More than half of the world's people are now using social media. About 5 crore people in our country are connected only on Facebook social media. That is why Facebook marketing is currently the most popular in our country. Along with other social media marketing, digital marketing will get good results. 2. Google AdWords. Among the most popular digital markets in the world, one of the most trusted markets is Google AdWords, which is a very popular marketplace. 90% of the ads you see on various blog sites and websites are Google AdWords ads. Usually, this type of advertising or marketing is done by paying money to Google through Google AdWords. Google AdWords is the most popular for targeting any keyword. 3. YouTube marketing. One of the most popular digital marketplaces today is YouTube. It is called the video sharing market because people now watch more videos on YouTube than television for entertainment. At this time, especially YouTube is the first choice of everyone because all types, or all categories of videos, tutorials, and learning everything are available. And nowadays, all kinds of people feel more comfortable watching videos on YouTube. For this, various multinational companies are now using the YouTube platform to promote their products. 4. Content writing. Every small or big company of any kind is currently creating a website under their business name, which can be called a trend of the present time. Because by creating a blog in the name of the company and making it popular, the product can be easily reached customers through the internet by writing reviews of the company's various products on the blog. 5. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization is required to increase traffic or visitors to a website. SEO experts are in high demand in the digital market because only an SEO expert can make your website products reach people through the Google search engine. 6. Email marketing. Email marketing is a very popular online marketing method through which you can promote any of your products or services. Nowadays, most of the big and small companies in all countries of the world are increasing their income and promoting their company by marketing their products through email. Email marketing is up to your customers. 7. Affiliate marketing. Earning commission by selling a company's products is commonly known as affiliate marketing. By doing affiliate marketing, you can get your company's products sold online by different people. Here, you will not earn an affiliate commission, you will commission others by launching an affiliate program. Nowadays, all kinds of services, products, many services, and products are being bought and sold in one place through affiliate marketing in the digital marketplace. 8. Mobile apps marketing. With the help of the present digital age or era, now everyone has a smartphone in their hands. And in every smartphone, people are using different types of mobile apps. Everyone now feels comfortable using their favorite apps on their mobiles as various apps are easily available, especially on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. I will talk about all the issues one by one. Please stay with my video. So guys, that's all about today's topic. Hope you guys like this video. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.